Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. I hope you guys are excited for day 8 of my 25 days of Christmas gifts for him series. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome and happy holidays. Make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're pressing that subscribe button and hitting that bell because I am killing it with these 25 days of Christmas and you do not want to miss any of these days. Guys, make sure before you even watch this video, you go back to the past week. You don't want to miss any of the items and brands that I've shown already. They have been amazing and I'm so happy to see that the brands are starting to reach out and actually show their appreciation to these videos. Before I even get started, let me just say that these are on sale right now from $119 to $89.99 on the Journeys website. If you want to get them before the holiday rush, you need to go get them now. Let's talk about this box. On the front of the box, there is the one piece with the flag, and obviously the Straw Hats flag is all over it. I love this. You all know that I will be keeping these shoes in here at all times, let's be honest. Now I will say I've already taken a little peek at the shoes, so I'm going to show you both of them, but both shoes mirror each other, so it's not like one looks one way and one looks the other way. Look at these. You got them in their winter clothes on one side. I love that these shoes are obviously after the time jump, which I would have been fine if it was pre-time jump because I feel like everyone's really getting into the show right now. So a lot of people haven't made it to the 2-year time jump. But look at these, dude. Okay, so do you guys get the concept here? That it's ice and fire. So you're pretty much seeing them at their hottest when they're about to go to battle. Like, man, they look like they're about to tear it up in these. So I went ahead and took both of them out of the box. I just had to look at them together. Obviously, you guys know I am a huge fan of the Vans collaboration, especially with their skate highs. I mean, at this point, I've gotten the Toy Story ones, the Odd Future ones, the Scooby-Doo ones. I just love their collabs because they make the dopest shoes. I am really all about this opposites, this fire and ice battles they got going on. It's just like you see them at their craziest, you know? They're so chill, relaxed when they're in the ice, but they're like really ready to kick some butt in this one. You know, like look at Zorro, like ready to fight 3-sword style already out. You know, I like this so much. I'm pretty sure Homeboy's going into 3rd gear right here, right? Like Luffy's definitely going into 3rd gear. These shoes are so dope. And when you look at the front of it too, it has that purple in it right there. These are some of the most colorful shoes, but man, I am obsessed with these. I'm going wild over it. I mean, you even have Chopper ready to kick some butt. I think that's probably the coolest thing about it because they're really doing a good job depicting the way they really are. They're either the goofy Straw Hats who, you know, bumble around with Luffy, or they're the badasses ready to take down a warlord today type thing. These are so dope. They give you a tag with 1,000 Sunny on there. Man, when I saw these had to be mine. I was so excited that I was able to get them so quickly to show you guys because you have Chopper eating cotton candy. He's earning his 100 berry bounty. You have Brook singing, but then you got Brook ready to go. Looks like on this side they're in Zoe, which I can believe, versus when after they leave Zoe. But I could be wrong. But that's what I got from them. Guys, these are one of a kind. Of all of my collaborations that I've seen Vans do, this has to be my favorite. And I know I might be a little bit biased because I am on like episode 836 of One Piece. So I know I have One Piece in the brain pretty hard, but I don't know. I think these have just become my favorite skate highs that I own. And that's saying a lot because my Toy Story ones, were my favorite for years. But I dig these. Besides the outside, there's really nothing special about them. They're your normal skate high Vans. They went really detailed in the background on the tongue, putting in the volcano. It has me at a loss for words, if I'm being honest. I just really haven't seen such a detailed shoe in quite a long time. You get to see maybe some parts of it, like if you saw their Scooby-Doo collab, like, you know, the mystery machine and stuff like that, but they really didn't go into this amount of detail. I just can't get over it. If you have an anime lover in your house, if you have a One Piece lover, which I think at this point, due to the live action adaptation, everyone should be having a One Piece lover in their house. They are going to love these shoes. They're one of a kind, if I'm being honest with you, and who would be upset with having the shoes with the Straw Hat Pirates on it? These are going to go down in Vans history. With us being at the height of One Piece right now, these would be the perfect shoes for him if you know he loves One Piece. I know what you guys are thinking about outfitting and things like that, but you have to remember, when you wear shoes like this, these are your focal points. All he has to wear is a white, some black, or choose and pick some of the colors from in here. That could work, but these are your focal point. This is where all that color is popping from, right here. And honestly, you have a lot to choose from. Play with the fire and ice detail about it. Use that as your guide. And I really like that. Now, I did say they mirrored each other, but look at how it works. So on one shoe on the outside, you have fire. On the other side, on the outside, you have ice. I dig this. That's how you can see both of them. Check out the back, so you can see the perfect split down the middle of fire and ice. It's the same with the front. Dude, this is so cool. These are my favorite shoes, and I want to know what you all think. Are you all One Piece fans? Do you think that these are the dopest shoes like I do, or am I over-exaggerating? Because I could be, like I said, I think I might be a little biased, but I think these are their top one so far. These shoes really brought me a lot of joy. I'm not gonna lie. I am really head over heels for One Piece right now, and I'd be lying if I would say that Luffy and the Straw Hat Pirates don't live rent-free in my head. So I'm really excited to be able to wear these and to show them to you guys. Go get these Vans. Believe me, you don't want to miss the opportunity, especially with them being on sale right now. You don't want to miss that chance. But that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you guys are going back to check out my other videos. I'm telling you, the 25 Days of Christmas series has been so much fun for me to do, and we're not even halfway done yet. There's still so much more for me to show you, but you don't want to miss what I've already given you on a silver platter, right? So, go check out those videos. If you enjoyed this video, and if you're a One Piece fan, give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell, because you don't want to miss what tomorrow brings. And as always, guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'm not crazy though, right? These are the dopest shoes. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.